In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ringtone in Facebook Messenger. We will walk through it together slowly, so by the end you will have a custom sound for your Messenger calls. First, open Messenger. On Android, you will usually find the Messenger icon in your app drawer or on your home screen, with a blue chat bubble logo. When you tap it, the app opens to your main chats list, showing your recent conversations and the search bar at the top. If Messenger asks for any quick prompts, such as notifications, you can leave those as they are for now and stay on the main screen. Once Messenger is open, tap the menu icon. You will see this in the top right corner of the screen as three horizontal lines. When you tap it, a side menu or a new page opens, showing options like your profile, settings-related items, and some tools. This tells you that you are in the right place to reach your ringtone and sound options. From there, click Settings. On many phones, this appears near the top of the menu, often with a small gear icon next to it. After you tap Settings, Messenger switches to a screen full of different sections for your account, privacy, and app behavior. You might need to wait a brief moment while this page loads, especially on slower connections, but it should appear almost instantly. Now scroll down and look for notifications and sounds. As you move down the list, watch for the section titles. They are usually grouped by topic, like account, preferences, and notifications. Notifications and sounds is the section that controls how Messenger alerts you, including message sounds and call ringtones. If you have many settings, take your time and scroll slowly so you do not skip past it by accident. When you see it, tap Notifications and Sounds. The screen changes to show several sound-related options, such as message tones, vibration, and possibly in-app sounds. This page is where Messenger controls what you actually hear when someone contacts you. A beginner tip here: the changes you make on this screen affect only Messenger, not your general phone ringtone. Next up, tap Ringtone. It should be listed within this Notifications and Sounds page. Once you tap Ringtone, a new window appears with a list of available sounds on your phone. You may see names like classic, digital, or custom names added by your phone maker. Usually a small dot or highlight shows which tone is currently active. With that ready, choose your preferred ringtone. Tap on any ringtone name to preview it. Your phone will play a short sample so you can hear what it sounds like. When you tap another one, the preview changes, so you can compare a few options before deciding. A useful tip: louder and clearer tones are easier to hear in noisy places, so test them at your normal volume level. After you decide, go back to save the change. Use your phone back button or the arrow at the top until you return to the previous screens. Once you back out of the ringtone list, Messenger keeps your chosen tone automatically. There is no extra save button. You can confirm it by opening ringtone again and checking that your selection is still marked. You have now changed your Facebook Messenger call ringtone on Android, so your calls stand out with your chosen sound. If this helped you get a ringtone you actually like, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear Messenger tips.